All right. If you're a student right now, you're probably asking yourself, how am I supposed to find a job when AI is changing everything? Look, we're going to skip the panic and give you a real, practical roadmap to not just survive, but to actually thrive. Let's dive right in. Okay, first things first, we need to completely reframe how you're thinking about this. Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs, but honestly, that's not the real threat. The real danger is becoming irrelevant because you don't know how to use this new technology. And you know what's scary? Most people don't even see that freight train coming.
So that's the big question, right? How do you stay ahead of the curve when the curve is moving at light speed? Well, the answer isn't about fighting AI, it's about mastering it. And that's exactly what we're going to break down for you, step by simple step.
You know, before we even get to AI, we've got to talk about an older problem, one that's been brewing for years, this huge gap between getting a college degree and actually being ready for a job. I mean, just look at these numbers. We've got millions of students graduating every single year, but only a tiny fraction of them are truly considered job-ready from day one. This is the crisis that was already here. It's proof that just having that piece of paper, that diploma, it's just not the golden ticket it used to be. Now, imagine pouring gasoline on that fire. That's what AI is doing. It's taking this already broken system and just hitting the accelerator. And make no mistake, this isn't some far-off future problem. It is happening right now. Think about those classic first jobs, the ones you see right here. I'm talking about the first rung on the career ladder. We're not necessarily saying these jobs will all vanish tomorrow, but the tasks that get you started. Writing that first bit of code, drafting a simple article, plugging data into a spreadsheet, answering basic customer questions, these things are being automated with, frankly, shocking speed. And this leads to the question that's probably keeping you up at night. The old way was simple. You did the basic stuff, you learned the ropes, and you built experience. But if an AI is now doing all that basic stuff, how do you get your foot in the door? How do you even begin? So here we are. This is the crossroads. This is where you have to make a choice. You can let this technology make you a victim, or you can decide to become its master. And it really all comes down to how you look at it.
See, you can look at AI as a replacement, something that's here to make you obsolete. Or you can see it for what it really is, a lever, a tool that handles the boring, repetitive work and frees you up to focus on the things that matter, like strategy, problem solving, and creativity. Listen, AI isn't replacing smart, ambitious people. It's amplifying them. Your goal is to get that leverage.
So, how do you get that leverage? It's not about frantically trying to learn 100 different apps. No, it's about a simple, powerful strategy. This is your 3-step roadmap to building a career that's future-proof.
It really is this simple. Number 1, build deep knowledge in whatever field you choose. Number 2, learn how to use AI as a lever in that field. And number 3, create actual proof that you can get results. Let's break each of those down real quick.
Okay, step 1, domain depth. This is absolutely non-negotiable. You can't ask AI to come up with a brilliant marketing campaign if you don't know the first thing about marketing. It can't help you write elegant code if you don't understand programming. You have to master your craft first. Think of it this way. AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, but it needs a skilled director. That director is you.
Step 2 is where the magic happens. This is where you learn to use AI leverage. And I'm not just talking about asking ChatGPT random questions. I mean strategically using these tools to brainstorm ideas, to analyze data, to debug your code. It's about taking that expertise you built in step 1 and making yourself 10 times faster, 10 times smarter.
And finally, step 3, and this is so important, build proof of work. In this new job market, your degree just isn't enough. An employer wants to see what you can do. So do it. Create a marketing plan for a local shop using AI for your research. Build a cool little app with an AI coding assistant, and then document your process. That becomes your portfolio. That is hard evidence that you can deliver real value.
And getting started is easier than you think. You don't have to be an expert in everything. Just master a few key tools that give you the most bang for your buck. Get really good at using ChatGPT for research and first drafts. Learn Canvas AI features to make amazing presentations. Use something like Notion AI to organize your projects. The key is to use them with a purpose, to build that proof of work.
So, what's the bottom line here? The future isn't some random thing that's just going to happen to you. It's going to be a direct result of the choices you start making today.
Right now, as we speak, the workforce is splitting in two. On one side, you have the AI-ignored professional. This is the person who just sticks to the old way of doing things and slowly watches their skills become obsolete. And on the other side, you've got the AI-assisted professional, who combines their deep expertise with AI leverage to become absolutely indispensable.
And trust me, this gap between those two people is only going to get wider.